Let me tell you a story. Not about some ancient philosopher, not about a millionaire influencer on social media, but about a regular man who sat on the edge of a motel bed holding a folded eviction notice in one hand and a photo of his daughter in the other. He had just lost everything, his business, his marriage, his home. And yet, he didn't break. What he did next changed everything. Because when the world hit him with its hardest punch, he didn't fight back with anger. He fought back with stillness. He fought back with Stoicism. And by the end of this story, you'll understand why the mindset that helped ancient warriors face death is the same mindset that can help you face your worst days and still walk out stronger. Mark Simmons wasn't born wealthy. He built everything from scratch. A small mechanic shop, a loyal customer base, a decent life. But like many, he didn't know how to prepare when the storm hit. The 2008 recession came fast and hard. Creditors knocked on his door. Customers stopped coming. Within months, his shop was gone. His wife couldn't take the pressure and walked out, taking their 6-year-old daughter with her. He was left alone. No money, no family, no plan. He rented a cheap motel room on the outskirts of Phoenix. He had $14 to his name, and he had a choice. Why me? He could ask, but he didn't. Instead, he opened a dusty book a friend once gave him. Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. That moment changed the course of his life. He read until 4 a.m., not for escape, but for strength. He underlined words like, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." And slowly, his internal dialogue changed. He stopped thinking about what he lost and started thinking about what he could control. The next morning, he woke up at 5 a.m., did 20 push-ups, wrote down 3 things he could improve that day, and walked 3 miles to the public library to apply for jobs. Each day, he focused on what the Stoics called amor fati, love of fate. He didn't resist the pain. He embraced it, and he used it. It took time, months of rejection, walking miles every day, budgeting food down to the penny. But slowly, it worked. He got a part-time job at a garage. He used what he learned in the motel room to guide him. Never complain. Show up early. Stay calm, even when others panic. Customers noticed. His manager noticed. In less than a year, he was running that garage. 2 years later, he opened a small auto service center. Today, he owns 3 shops across Arizona. But the success isn't the story. What matters is the mindset. He never got rich chasing money. He built everything back by chasing discipline, perspective, and self-mastery. You might never lose your house. You might never face a divorce or go broke. But you will face adversity. You'll face moments where life feels unfair, painful, chaotic. And when that time comes, you'll have a choice. Will you react with anger and fear, or will you respond like a Stoic? Because here's the truth. Success isn't just about what you do when life is easy. It's about who you become when life breaks you. So now I ask you, what would you do if you lost everything today? Would your mindset be strong enough to rebuild? Are you training your mind like Mark did, daily, quietly, with purpose? Drop your thoughts in the comments. How would you face your darkest day? What helps you stay grounded when life feels like it's falling apart? If this story moved you, if you learned something powerful today,